Everyone, myself Mrs. Suchita Khoth, lecturer from RMDCOP. In this video, we are going to study about the topic enzyme. Particularly in this video, we are going to talk on introduction of an enzyme and classification on enzyme. Learning objective. By the end of the lecture, the student should be able to state importance of enzyme. They will be able to define the enzyme and can explain the classification of an enzyme. Let's see about the importance. Enzymes play an important role in metabolism, diagnosis, therapeutics. All biochemical reactions are enzyme catalyzed in the living organism. Level of an enzyme in blood are diagnostic importance. For example, it is a good indicator in diseases such as myocardial infarction. An enzyme can be used therapeutically such as digestive enzymes. These are the importance of all the enzymes in our body. Now see what is the enzymes. Enzymes is also known as a biological catalyst. Definition of an enzyme is enzymes are proteins that increases the rate of reaction by lowering the energy of activation. They catalyze nearly all the chemical reactions taking place in the cells of the body, and also they are not altered or consumed during reaction, hence can be reusable for the another reaction. See this naming enzymes. The name of an enzyme in many cases end in ASE. For example, sucrase catalyzes the hydrolysis of sucrose. The name describes the function of an enzyme. For example, oxidases which catalyze the oxidation reaction. Sometimes common names are used particularly for the digestion enzymes such as pepsin and trypsin. Some names describe both the substrate and the function. For example, alcohol dehydrogenase oxidase ethanol. These are the naming system of an enzyme which ends with the ASE. Now the main part of this video is classification of an enzyme. Enzymes are going to be classified on the basis on which reaction they are catalyzed. For example, oxidoreductases, transferases and hydrolases, lysases, isomerases and ligases. These are the 6 kinds of enzymes used. First we will see oxidoreductases. Biochemical activity, it catalyzes the oxidation reduction reaction, act on many chemical grouping to add or remove hydrogen atoms. For example, lactate dehydrogenase, glucose oxidase, peroxidase, catalase, phenylalanine hydroxylase. See this reaction. In this reaction, this catalyze the oxidation reduction reaction. For example, L-lactate will going to be converted into pyruvate by using the enzyme lactate dehydrogenase. Also oxidases, peroxidases, dehydrogenases also used in this reaction. Second one is transferases. The biochemical activity is transfer of functional group between donor and acceptor molecule. For example, methyl or phosphate group. Example are transaminases, phosphotransferases, for example kinases, transmethylases, transpeptidases and transacylases. These are the enzymes can be used for this reaction. See in this reaction it catalyzes the group transfer reaction. For example, L-alanine together with alpha ketoglutarate will get converted to pyruvate and L-glutamate by using an enzyme alanine transaminase. Third kind of enzyme is hydrolases. Biochemical activity, it catalyzes the hydrolysis of various bonds, add water across a bond. For example, protein hydrolyzing enzymes, for example, peptidases, carbohydrases, for example, amylase, maltase and lactases, lipid hydrolyzing enzymes, for example, lipases, deaminases and phosphatases. See, in this reaction, it catalyzes the hydrolysis reaction where water is the acceptor of the transferred group. The pyrophosphate, by using the water molecule, it gets converted into phosphate by using an enzyme pyrophosphatase. Also, esterases, peptidases and glucosidase also used in this reaction. Fourth kind of enzyme is lysases. Biochemical activity, it cleaves the various bonds by means of other than hydrolysis and oxidation. It will add water, ammonia and carbon dioxide across double bond or remove these elements to produce double bond. Another examples are fumarase, carbonic anhydrases. See, in this reaction, the fructose 1,6 biphosphate is get converted into dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate by using an enzyme aldolase. This reaction is used in the glycolysis. Next type of enzyme is isomerases. Biochemical activities, it catalyzes isomerization changes within a single molecule which carry out many kind of isomerization, that is levo to dextro isomerization, mutase reaction, for example shifts of chemical group. Examples are isomerase, mutase. See the reaction, it catalyzes isomerization reaction. In this, L-alanine is get converted into D-alanine by using an enzyme alanine racemase. In the last kind of enzyme, that is ligases, the biochemical activity is join two molecules with covalent bond, catalyze reactions in which two chemical groups are joined or ligated with the use of energy from ATP. Example are acetyl coenzyme carboxylase and glutamine synthetase. This reaction catalyzes ligation or joining of two substrates which require chemical energy, for example ATP. See the reaction. In this reaction, the L-glutamate will converted into L-glutamine by adding ATP by using ATP and ammonia. The enzyme used for this reaction is glutamine synthetase. These all are the classification of an enzyme. Thank you guys for listening this video. We will be shortly come back for the next type or next kinds of topic on the same chapter, that is enzyme. Thank you so much.